Hey guys, Chris from QuickBooks here with another quick update. Today we'll be going through the new feature just released today, the ability to be able to import sub-accounts during the chart of account import process. Without further ado, let's jump straight to it. What you want to do first is click on accounting in the left-hand menu and then select the drop-down arrow and click on import. One thing you'll see is I've gone ahead and cleared my chart of accounts. Now this is really useful when you're doing a new file setup and you want your own customized list of chart of accounts. This can be done using the Purge Company feature, and I'll leave a link in the description down below with steps on how to do that. So let's click on import. If this is your first time importing a chart of accounts, I do recommend downloading a sample file, and if you don't have one on file, it's useful just to have one on your computer for when you need it. But here's one we've already prepared earlier. So you see here, when importing your chart of accounts, you can have an account number, if you've turned it on in the settings, a detail type, an account name, a description, and a relevant tax code. One thing I do know some customers get a bit stuck on at times is that detail type. Now this isn't a free form field, it is actually a finite list that exists within the product. Again, I'll leave a link in the description down below with a full list of all the detail types that are available to help you with that chart of account setup. Now let's go into how you would actually create a sub account. You see here that we have a chart of account with an account name set up as income. What we want to do is, if we want to create a sub account for that, we need to use that colon symbol, and you see it's right there. So milk income would be a sub account of income. And what you can actually do is you can actually have sub accounts. And you see here's a great example of it here. We have income with livestock sales, and then we have a sub account of, hey, it's other livestock sales. So it goes income, colon, livestock sales, colon, other livestock sales. And we've done the same thing here for their feed sales. So we have income, feed sales, and then hay sales, silage sales, and other feed sales. So fairly straightforward. So once you've set up your chart of accounts, you want to save that file, and then let's go ahead and import it. So here, we're going to click on the Browse button and then select our Excel file, and then click on Next. Next, you'll be presented with, hey, here are the different fields you want to map to. Now, if you've gone ahead and downloaded that sample file, it's going to map across perfectly. But if you've perhaps set up your own Excel file, you do have the chance to sort of say, hey, it's actually this one, etc. So once you're ready, click on Next. See here, this is your final sort of review stage. If there are any errors, say perhaps you selected an incorrect detail type or incorrect tax code, you actually can go ahead and make those adjustments if necessary. Once you're ready, click on Import. Now, depending on the number of chart of accounts you have, it could take a little while, say 20 or 30 seconds to import these chart of accounts. Now, there's 163 today, so it did take a little while, but not too long there. It was only about maybe 10, 15 seconds there. So there you go. Your chart of accounts have all been imported successfully, and let's see how it actually looks in the file. So you see here we have an income, and then we have sort of almost like an indent, and then it goes to milk income, and then livestock sales. And you see when it's got the sub account, it indents again. So there you go. That's how you would import your sub accounts and your sub accounts, etc. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll see you next time for our next quick update. Have a great day, guys. Bye.